Hey guys, welcome back to Tap In Podcast by TTBE. It is your girl, Myesha Banks, here again, dropping some gems. This season is called Unload the Clip. Let me tell y'all something. So this is some real stuff right here. I was sitting one day and I just got to a point where I said to myself, I cannot fix anyone anymore. I'm going to say that one more time. I cannot fix anyone anymore. And let me tell you something. I've gotten judged on that because I'm in a place in my life where I don't want to fix. I can't help you. I don't have any motivation for you. I don't even know what to tell people anymore because I'm just in a season where I'm pouring into myself. And let me tell you the part that's the most difficult in that area of making that choice. It's a point where you think to yourself, how can I, turn away people that I love that I would like to help? How can I not answer my phone when I don't want to be bothered? How can I not want to give advice when I know a person needs advice? How can I stop giving my money out? By just stopping, by just taking that moment and saying that I can't do it anymore. The main point that I'm trying to make is the only thing that you can control in your life is you. You cannot pour into so many people and expect your life to grow the way you want it to grow. Sometimes you have to take a moment and be selfish with yourself. Sometimes you have to take a moment and be still and say, okay, I'm completely drained. And now I need to recharge my energy, recharge my mind, and recharge my spirit. It's very difficult because we're so used to creating things, right? Making people our projects, making our relationships our projects, making, family members or friendships our project. But at this point, you have to find a space in your life where all you focus on is yourself. And I know there's so many people clapping right now or just like, yes, girl, I know exactly what you're talking about. You have to focus on yourself because it takes a lot of energy to get the life that you desire. Now, if you're a person that just want a simple life, cool. But you still have to have a portion of your life where you focus on yourself. Every area of your world or every area of where you are in your current state has room for growth. You can always be better tomorrow. You can always be better next week. You can always be better in your life general. So this podcast and this season and this episode is to show you that when you focus on yourself, you look different. Your glow is different. Your skin starts changing. You start feeling better. No one's calling your phone 24/7. You're not waking up to a million text messages or even you don't even argue no more. You let things be what it is because at this point, the only thing you can control is yourself. So if you have a controlling spirit like I do, because I definitely love controlling everything, but I'm at a place where I'm trying to find balance with what I can control and what I can't. But if you battling that, find a space in your mind that allows you to think, let them and let people be who they are. Let life flow like the river. Let it flow the way God wants it to flow. If you focus on yourself, you focusing on God because God lives within you. The moment you step outside of that belief system is the moment you start to lose yourself and you start to lose your alignment of where you want to be. Now you breaking this down like a math equation, right? You're like, wait, hold on. Like, how am I supposed to put this together? Put it together like this. Focus on you, create your dream and find it and follow it and pursue the dream. Okay? Be still in that moment. Ignore the noise that's outside of you, push that away and just align yourself in your own spirit. That's it. It's so easy to do, but it's so hard at the same time because some of us lack the feeling of being alone. Some of us lack the feeling of being with ourselves. It's very scary to be with yourself or just be in your own space because now the only person that can judge you is you. So now you're finding another way to be the best version of yourself. And that's just the concept of it. This podcast is my gateway to you guys. It's a way for me to speak to you in a comfortable, vulnerable place. And when you become vulnerable with yourself or just the world, that's when you find another source of energy, another source of direction. Life is overwhelming. We're chasing dreams. We're lacking sleep. We're trying to find a way to make more money. We're trying to get these dreams or whatever we see in our life. We're trying to make it come to reality. But at the same time, it's hard. And I know some of you are exhausted and drained, and it's very hard sometimes to find where you want to be. But if you just put yourself in alignment, don't look back. Don't look back. Don't think about the past. Don't think about the mistakes you made. Don't think about the people that hurt you. Find that energy and make it into money. Make it into passion. Make it into believing that you can be the best version of yourself. And nobody could get in the way of that. I promise you, you are going to be great. But in order for you to be great, I need you to know that you're great. I love y'all. I'm going crazy this season. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all look forward to the next episode and share this podcast with every single person that you felt like that needed this message. I am showing love from the bottom of my heart to all my followers and supporters. I love y'all so much. Mwah.